Israeli airstrikes have resulted in a tragic loss of life in Gaza, with at least 78 people reported dead, marking one of the deadliest nights in the ongoing conflict between Israel and Hamas. The airstrikes, which began before midnight, continued into Christmas Day, with intensified air and ground shelling reported in central Gaza, particularly in Al-Bureji. The Palestinian Health Ministry's spokesperson Ashraf Al-Qudra expressed concern that the casualty count could increase. The Maghazi camp is described as the site of a devastating massacre, with numerous injuries reported and several homes destroyed, prompting desperate efforts by families to rescue survivors from the rubble. The Israeli military is reportedly reviewing the incident in Maghazi and asserts its commitment to minimizing harm to civilians. Meanwhile, Hamas denies the Israeli accusation of operating in densely populated areas or using civilians as human shields. The Palestinian Red Crescent has shared footage of wounded residents being transported to hospitals, stating that Israeli airstrikes have targeted main roads, impeding the passage of ambulances and emergency vehicles. Medics report that an Israeli airstrike in Khan Yunis in southern Gaza resulted in the death of 8 Palestinians. Amidst the conflict, celebrations in Bethlehem, the Israeli-occupied Palestinian West Bank city traditionally linked to Jesus' birth, were cancelled by clergy. Pope Francis expressed sorrow that Jesus' message of peace was being overshadowed by the futile logic of war in the very land of his birth. The Pope spoke during Christmas Eve Mass at St. Peter's Basilica in Rome. In Bethlehem, Palestinian Christians held a candle-lit Christmas vigil with hymns and prayers for peace in Gaza, deviating from the usual festivities. Notably, there were no large trees, a customary centerpiece, and nativity figurines in churches was placed amid rubble and barbed wire in solidarity with the people of Gaza. Hamas and its smaller ally Islamic Jihad, both committed to the destruction of Israel, are reported to be holding more than 100 hostages captured during their activities in Israeli towns on October 7, resulting in the loss of 1,200 lives. Subsequently, Israel has imposed a siege on the Gaza Strip, causing significant destruction with over 20,400 confirmed deaths, according to Gaza authorities, and thousands more feared death beneath the rubble. The majority of Gaza's 2.3 million residents have been displaced, leading the UN to declare the conditions catastrophic. Since the collapse of a week-long truce at the beginning of the month, the conflict has escalated, spreading from the north to the full length of Gaza. The Israeli military reported the death of 2 soldiers on Sunday, bringing the total to 158 since ground operations commenced on October 20. Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu acknowledged the heavy toll of the war, emphasizing the necessity to continue the fight. In a video message, he declared an intent to push deeper into Gaza until achieving total victory over Hamas. Israel faces pressure from the US, its closest ally, to transition operations to a lower intensity phase and minimize civilian casualties.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.